Welcome back to the channel. Overview and what's new. This flagship model isn't just a refresh. Here, you introduce the Sony WH-1000XM6 as more than a routine upgrade. It's a bold evolution. The audience learns this isn't just a design change, but a feature-packed leap with meaningful improvements like noise canceling, smarter tech, and refined design. A new era in audio excellence. Sony has long dominated. You discuss Sony's legacy in the noise-canceling headphone market and position the WH-1000XM6 as the new standard. The new Sony QM3 processor is introduced, replacing the older QN1, marking a huge step in processing power and efficiency. QM3 chip and intelligent ANC, replacing the QN1 found in the XM5. Here, you explain how the QM3 chip makes noise canceling smarter by reacting in real time to different frequencies and environments like airports or cafes. This part highlights how AI noise adaptation enhances user experience. High-resolution wireless audio. And yes, Sony continues its lead. A detailed explanation of LDAC, Sony's high-resolution Bluetooth codec, and studio-quality audio. Perfect for listeners using Spotify Hi-Fi, Tidal Master, or Apple Lossless. Even via wireless, the XM6 delivers audiophile-grade sound. Smarter noise cancellation. The Sony WH-1000XM6 headphones redefine. This section introduces the new 12-microphone array and multi-in noise sensing. Real-time environmental adaptation and AI-powered wind filtering are covered. You also introduce dual ANC profiles for commuting versus stationary scenarios, a major convenience upgrade. Edge AI and environmental learning. Sony's Edge AI system. The XM6 now learns your behavior, like automatically adjusting ANC when you enter your office, gym, or coffee shop. This predictive element transforms these headphones from passive devices into adaptive smart assistants. Sonic performance and 360 reality audio. Here you dive into sound signature upgrades. 30mm carbon fiber composite drivers. Wider frequency response. Cleaner mids, deeper bass, sparkling highs. You also introduce 360 reality audio with head tracking, creating a spatial, immersive experience. Ideal for Netflix, gaming, or music. dissects Extreme for audio upscaling. And here's something special for audiophiles. This section highlights dissects Extreme, Sony's AI-based audio upscaling tech. It enhances low bitrate MP3s to near-lossless quality, making it great for listeners with older libraries or streaming compressed files. Call quality and AI mics. Gone are the days of muffled calls. You explain how AI-powered beamforming microphones vastly improve call clarity. This part is critical for remote workers and people taking calls on the go. The WH-1000XM6 isolates your voice, even in subways or wind. Voice assistant integration. This microphone upgrade also improves. This section emphasizes hands-free convenience with Google Assistant, Alexa, and Siri integration. You can now control music, set reminders, and send messages entirely by voice, without touching your device. Foldable design and build quality. One of the most requested changes. Sony brings back the foldable design, now with a magnetic carrying case for quick access. The hinges are reinforced, and vegan leather ear cups are more comfortable for long sessions. A matte finish resists smudges and scratches. Battery life and charging features. The WH-1000XM6 offers up to 30 hours. Battery life details. 30 hours with ANC, 40 hours without. 3-minute quick charge equals 3 hours playback. Charging via USB-C and reverse charging support with Sony Xperia phones makes this even more useful in emergencies. Multi-device connectivity and codec support multi-device connection via Bluetooth 5.3. Highlights the Bluetooth 5.3 upgrade and multi-point connectivity. You can seamlessly switch between laptop, phone, or tablet. Full codec support, AAC, LDAC, etc. Ensures top audio quality across devices. Daily usage and smart features. You explore how the XM6 is more like a smart lifestyle companion. Adaptive Sound Control 2.0 learns your daily patterns. Speak to Chat 2.0 instantly pauses music when you talk. Quick Attention Mode for temporarily lowering volume. New Ambient Sound Mode, rain, ocean sounds. Auto pause/play with proximity sensors. These features help with focus, relaxation, and productivity. Ideal use cases. These features make the XM6 ideal not only for music. You summarize why these are not just music headphones. They're also perfect for work, study, mental wellness, travel. It appeals to a broad audience. Price, availability, and competition. Sony officially launches the WH-1000XM5 globally. You provide launch date, May 15th, 2025, and regional pricing. US, $449. UK, £399. EU, €469. Compare it to competitors like Bose Quiet Comfort Ultra, Apple AirPods Max 2, Sennheiser Momentum 5, and conclude that Sony offers the best overall package. Wondering if the WH-1000XM6 is right for you? You offer a concise buyer guide. Audiophiles, superior sound and LDAC. Travelers, long battery, comfort, ANC. Remote workers, clear calls, voice assistant support. Students and creatives, smart features for focus. Great for viewers unsure if it fits their needs. The Sony WH-1000XM6 isn't just a successor. You wrap up by reinforcing that the XM6 is a significant leap over the XM5, combining refined hardware, smarter AI, and user-centric features. Finally, you include the standard call to action. Like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content.